Hey, English learners! Welcome back to the English Leap podcast, your cozy place to learn easy English through real-life conversations. I'm Fatma.
And I'm Hassan. Glad you decided to spend a little bit of your day with us.
Yes, seriously. You could be doing 100 other things, but you're here working on your English with us.
Wow, Fatma, that was a lively opening. You sound like you just drank 3 cups of coffee.
Maybe I did, or maybe I'm just excited because today's topic is one of my favorites.
All right, now I'm interested. What are we talking about exactly?
We're talking about our day, morning, afternoon, and evening, all in real natural English.
Nice. So basically, we're letting everyone peek into our real lives today.
Yep, the real unfiltered version. No fancy edits, just what our days actually look like.
That's dangerous, Fatma. Are you sure you want to tell them everything?
Maybe not everything. I'll skip the part where I fall asleep with my phone on my face.
Same here. My mornings start strong, then by around 3 p.m. and where is my motivation?
I feel you. But hey, that's why this episode will be fun. It's real life, not a textbook.
Exactly. And while we share our routines, you'll also learn how to talk about your own day in English with natural words, expressions, and even some small talk ideas so you can answer more than just fine.
Yeah, we want to move past fine. And you listening right now, how's your day going? Busy, quiet, a bit chaotic? You can always tell us later in the comments in English.
Even one simple sentence is good practice. Today was a long day, or today was pretty good.
Yeah, that's it. One honest line about your day is already real English practice. You don't have to write a whole story.
And don't worry, this is a B1 level episode, so if your English is somewhere around intermediate, this is made for you.
If you feel a bit below B1, you're still welcome here. You don't have to understand every single word to learn something useful.
You can always listen twice. First time, just relax. Follow the story, enjoy being here with us.
And second time, you can pause, repeat, maybe write down 1 or 2 new phrases you like. Little by little, your English grows.
So here's what we're gonna do today. First, we'll share our daily routines with you. My day, Fatma's day. Morning, work, evening.
Yes, and while we talk, we'll naturally use some strong vocabulary, idioms, and phrasal verbs to describe normal life.
And at the end, we'll do a quick word tour, a small review of the best words and phrases from the episode, with clear examples you can copy.
The goal is simple. When someone asks, "So how was your day?" your brain doesn't freeze. You have ideas, you have a little structure.
You'll pick up easy patterns like my day starts with, on my way to, I usually after work, I usually before bed, I like to. See, with just these, you can already make your day sound more real and more interesting than it was fine.
And you don't need big, complicated grammar. Just small, clear sentences that fit your life.
Right, and before we jump in, a tiny favor. If you enjoy learning with us, please like this episode and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep making these free episodes for you.
And we want you to practice too. Your little comment homework for today is write 1 or 2 sentences about your day in English.
Yes, we really do read your comments. It feels like one big group chat with people from all over the world. All right, ready to walk through a day together?
Let's do it. Let's start at the beginning, the moment the alarm goes off and the battle with the bed begins.
Yeah, the alarm, the loud enemy of every good dream.
The sound that says, "Welcome back to real life."
Exactly. So let's start there, at the beginning of the day.
Yeah, we'll go through a normal day together. Morning, commute, work, afternoon, evening, and while we talk, you can quietly compare your day with ours.
And maybe you'll hear a sentence and think, oh, I can say that too. That's my day.
Okay, you start. Be honest. How does your day usually begin?
All right. On a normal day, my day starts with my alarm at 6 a.m.
That already sounds painful.
It is. The alarm goes off and my first feeling is no, not yet.
Yeah, that little 5 more minutes please voice.
Exactly. Most days I hit snooze 1 time.
So you press that small button to stop the alarm and make it come back under.
Right, just to steal a few extra minutes. And then after that, I know I have to move. So I slowly drag myself out of bed.
I like that image. You don't jump. You kind of pull your body out like your body is heavy.
Yes, like my bones are made of stone. I sit on the edge of the bed for a second, just breathing, just checking in with myself. Okay, how am I today? Tired? Okay, stressed?
I like that small check-in, even before the phone.
Yeah, Then I drink some water, open the curtains to let in light, and then I finally touch my phone.
And what's the first thing you look at?
To be honest, messages and weather. And then if I'm not careful, I start to scroll.
The infinite scroll. That moment when your finger just keeps moving up and you keep watching one more thing and one more.
Exactly. It feels like just 2 minutes, but suddenly 10 or 15 minutes are gone.
I think many people know that feeling.
I try to stop myself and think, hey, do you really want to start the day like this? Sometimes I win, sometimes my thumb wins.
The thumb is strong. After that, I put on some music, make coffee, and take a shower.
When I do these things slowly and with attention, I feel like I wake up properly. Not just physically, but in my mind too.
Yeah, you're not on autopilot then, right?
Autopilot for me is when my body is moving, but my brain is not really there. I'm just going through the motions.
Like when you brush your teeth and suddenly you don't remember if you already did it.
Exactly. On good mornings, I step out of autopilot. On some mornings, I don't. And that's okay too. Not every day has to be perfect.
I like that you say that because sometimes we look at other people's mornings online and think, my morning is so bad.
Yeah, like they wake up at 4 a.m., run 10 kilometers, read a book, and meditate. And I can't even find my socks.
Exactly. Okay, what about me? My day usually starts a little later. My alarm is around 6:30 or 7, and I also hit snooze.
Of course, team snooze.
Team snooze. I always tell myself just 5 more minutes, and somehow my 5 minutes are always the longest minutes of the day.
Right, time moves differently in the morning.
It really does. When I finally get up, I shuffle to the kitchen. Shuffle, like those slow, tiny steps when your feet don't fully leave the floor.
Yeah, like I'm still half dreaming. I drink water, make coffee, and for the first 10 to 15 minutes, I try to keep everything gentle. Thanks for listening to English Leap Podcast. See you next time. Share one sentence about your day below.